Hello and welcome to CreArtive by Nature. My name is Donna. So today I'm going to be starting to do formal shoutouts to fellow YouTubers who inspire me. I'll be creating DIYs or sharing a project that I have made that's been inspired by my fellow YouTubers. First up is Terrarium and Crafts. She's over in the UK. I absolutely adore her channel. She does terrariums and all sorts of DIYs. She has great tips on how to create gnome gardens and fairy gardens. Here is the inspiration piece that I will be working from. I will have the links to her channel and this video in the description box, as well as the supply list. So first up, I will be working with this jumbo egg and this glass candlestick that I purchased from Dollar Tree. The jumbo egg I purchased at your dollar store with more. First thing I do is scuff up the bottom so I can get some good adhesion between the candlestick and the egg. I am using epoxy glue. I apply this to the rim of my candlestick and then turn the candlestick upside down and attach it to the bottom of the egg. You can use an adhesive like E6000 or any other adhesive that works well with plastic. Now I'm just making sure that the egg is centered on the candlestick, and then I allow it to dry as per the instructions on the packaging for my adhesive. I decided to spray paint my piece in a cream color. You can leave it as is. Again, follow instructions on the manufacturer's packaging. I'm going to fill the bottom of my egg just to add a little bit of weight using rocks, just so it doesn't become too top heavy and topple over on me. Now I am going to be using a piece of dry floral foam. And I like to just trim off the edges just so I know that the lid of my egg will fit around the foam. And then I'm going to use some hot glue and adhere it to the bottom of my egg. I'm adding just some smaller scraps that I had on hand just to make sure that that larger foam piece stays nice and sturdy in place. Now I will be adding a thin layer of some Spanish moss just to cover up the foam. This will give it a nice woodland appearance. I am just going to add a little bit of hot glue here and there just to help hold the moss in place. And I also take the end of my scissors and just tuck the moss in between where the foam and the egg are. And then, if need be, take some scissors and trim off any stray pieces. Now I'm just going through my collection of little gnome pieces, and I am going to hot glue them to the foam. And then I'll just make sure that the lid of my egg will fit over top of these little guys. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add some more little figurines to my piece. I love to create the little woodland look, so I'm adding a cute little fawn and some geese or ducks that I have. Now I'm going to also add some pieces of moss. This will give it that nice green look that you see in the early springtime. Now I'm going to be adding some dry branches that I had on hand. This will give the appearance of trees that are just about to bud out in leaf. Trim the branches as needed to make sure that they fit under the egg lid. So now I'm going to be adding some floral pieces that I purchased both from Dollar Tree and Dollarama. I just trim them down and tuck them into the foam wherever I just felt it needed just a little punch of color, just to give it a really nice, pretty spring look. And there you have it, our spring gnome garden tucked inside a jumbo Easter egg. I want to thank Terrarium and Crafts for her amazing channel and all the inspiration she gives me. I'd love it if you check her all out. I will have the link to her channel in my description box. Thank you all so much for being here, and let me know if this inspires you to create something unique and different for Easter. Thanks for watching. Bye.